Alright, today is Range Rover day. Gotta do the bottom of this Range Rover. And this is very, very high grade aluminum. And when aluminum gets hit by thousands of pounds and makes a dent right near a contour, that's gonna take crazy torque. So I don't mess around. I'm not going to do that while, hanging over the side of this thing. I'm going to take this gate off and I'm going to place it on a very strong stand, and I'm going to get some crazy good leverage. I'm going to take this dent out really nice. Let's see if I can do it. And that was my goal, is to push it out with tons of force, but I'm 63 years old. I don't have that kind of force. So what I did is I welded up this new tray that'll go in the back of my Suburban that acts as a great stand that can encapsulate the panel really well and give me all the torque I need, and I don't have to fumble around with a hood stand. Customer couldn't find it. Now this tray worked out so well. I am going to show the build in the private course at dentexperttraining.com. It's actually an easy build, but it's very strong and encapsulates the panel on both sides. I don't show those pieces in this picture, but I'll show the full build on the website. Thanks for your support. See you on the next one.